Never use remove duplicates in Excel unless you want to ruin your data. Because here's the thing, most people think that one button fixes everything. It doesn't. It deletes rows permanently. No warning, no backup, just poof. And here's what nobody tells you. There's at least 3 better, smarter, faster ways to manage or remove duplicates in your Excel spreadsheet without ruining your data. So with that said, let's go ahead and pop in and take a look at the first one. All right, let's go ahead and start with the one everybody knows, the remove duplicates button. So what we're gonna do with our data set here is we're gonna add a filter to it. So we're gonna press Alt, A, and T to add a filter to our table here. And in this table, we have a list of client names, email addresses, and also sales amounts for each client. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove duplicates using the remove duplicate button. So while we're still in the data tab, we see we have a tab here that says remove duplicates. That's what we're going to use. We're going to highlight all 3 rows and we're going to press remove duplicates. And that will bring up our remove duplicates option. And we can select which column we want to remove the duplicates from. But since the duplicates are in all 3 columns, we're going to go ahead and remove all 3. And we're going to go ahead and select data has headers. And what we see happens is that our list is more condensed and we have 8 unique values left, each of which are unique and we don't see any more duplicates. One thing about removing duplicates is it does shift your data around. So we're going to take off the filter real quick and then reapply it. And then what we can also do is we can press Alt HFP and we're going to get rid of this formatting right here with our formatter painter. And now we have a very clean table with no duplicates. But the problem is if this file gets saved, we can't go back and look at our duplicate data anymore. And let's say our manager wanted to see the full data set before we condensed it all. We have no way to go back and retrieve this data. So that's one of the shortfalls of removing the duplicate button is it just wipes away the data off of the spreadsheet. There's no way to go back and take a look at any previous data that we had in our data set, but there are ways to circumvent this and we're going to take a look at that next. All right, so our first way of identifying duplicates in Excel is going to be using conditional formatting. This is really handy. It doesn't delete anything, it doesn't remove anything out of your data set, but it will tell you if there are any duplicates in your table. So what's really cool about the conditional formatting, hopping into the same data set here, I'm gonna select everything, and then we're gonna go up to conditional formatting, and we're gonna select highlight cell rules, and down at the bottom here we see duplicate values. We'll go ahead and select that, and we'll select light red fill with dark red text, which is pretty standard, and we'll press OK. And we see here that everything that is a duplicate within our table is now highlighted. So then what we're going to do is we're going to filter on it. We're going to sort by A to Z to get everything alphabetically aligned, and then we're going to sort by color. And then we see all of our duplicate values are sorted alphabetically at the top of our table. This is really handy if you do have a large data set, let's say, thousands of rows, and you want to see if there are any duplicates within that table. This is a very quick, easy method to sort those duplicates out. So using the conditional formatting is a really cool way to identify duplicates within your data set pretty quickly. And it's kind of cool because it's like highlighting all of the duplicates within the data set without deleting anything. So this is a very easy way to stay organized without deleting any data from your data set. The second example is probably my favorite, and this is going to be using the advanced filter method to sort out any duplicate data within our data set. And what's really cool about this one is it does not delete anything. It actually just moves the data over into another spreadsheet or on the same sheet without deleting anything from the table. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the data tab on the ribbon. We're going to select advanced, and our list range we're going to select. We're going to also select copy to another location, and we're going to copy to, let's do it right here. And we're also going to select unique records only, and this will just keep the unique items from our list, so that way there are no duplicates. We'll go ahead and press OK, and boom, we have our 8 unique data set here. We'll copy this over and paste it. Oops. Control C, Control V, paste it over. The advanced filter is probably my favorite way of removing duplicates in Excel because it keeps the source material in place. It deduplicates the list without deleting anything or removing anything from your data set. And that way you have a very nice, easy way to keep organized. And the last thing you want is if someone goes back to that source material and it's not available, now you have a way to keep it clean, keep it organized, and that's just gonna make everything so much easier for you in Excel in the long run. All right, the last example to remove duplicates in Excel is gonna be using a function. And for this one, we are gonna be using the unique function in Excel to deduplicate our list. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick. If we press equals unique, we'll be able to select our array, and we'll just close our parentheses and press enter. And what we'll do is we'll carry this over, and that way we carry over all of our associated data with each person. And this one's really cool because this is super quick and easy and being able to manipulate the data in a very fast and efficient way. I'm gonna carry over the headers here real quick, and we'll paste those over. We'll add a filter to this. And bam, just like that, Excel gives you a list of all the unique values in your table. No clicking, no sorting, just clean automatic data. And this is perfect if you need to make any sort of dashboards, any customer lists, or if you download a sales report out of whatever system you might use. This is very quick and easy to get all those unique values for all the customers or whatever data you might be using. And with that said, let's go ahead and recap the different ways we can identify and remove duplicates in Excel. So first of all, we have the remove duplicates function, which is fast, but also risky as well, as it does remove all of the associated data when you do select that remove duplicates button. We also have our conditional formatting, which helps you spot issues without deleting anything. We have the advanced filter, which is great for copying, cleaning data over while keeping the source material intact. And then lastly, we have the unique function, which is the smoothest solution in my opinion. And then we have the unique function, which is a very smooth solution using a function within Excel. Next time you want to clean up data in Excel, ask yourself, do you want to remove the duplicates, highlight those duplicates, clean up, or automate all the duplicates in Excel? And by choosing the right tool, you can protect your data in Excel like a pro.